Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can do a boomerang on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. It's a very easy process, so make sure to watch the video till the end. And here we go. First thing, we're gonna open up our Snapchat app. Then we will be landed on this kind of interface, right? So first of all, we're simply gonna go ahead and make ourselves a video. Let's do, so there we go, this is our video, right? So what we're going to do is now we're simply going to scroll through this option and we'll find this option of snap timer. We're going to tap on it and we're going to make it bounce. Now we're going to choose till when we want. Now it's a boomerang right there. Tap on send to. Now you can add it to your story and send to a private chat or a group of your liking, and then that is basically it. You can also add it in your story as I mentioned before, and you can do that as many times as you want for as many clicks as you would prefer. That's basically how it works. You just need to switch it to the bounce and you're good to go. That's basically it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.